So good day everyone, this is my case study, DHCP server. So before we start, dapat na-configure na natin yung adapters ng Windows Server 2008. So dapat meron na tayong dalawang adapter, one for Windows 7 and Windows XP. So as you can see, dalawa na yung local area net connection natin. Then pwede tayong configure networking. And then IPv4 properties. Use the following address. So based sa requirements, gagamit tayo ng 172.31.0.0 and then subnet niya is 16. And then yung gateway niya is the same as the IP address. And then okay, close. And then para sa isa pang IP is yung 10.0.0 and then subnet niya naman is 8. Then tapos na tayo doon. So add roles na tayo. Then next, DHCP server. Then next. So as you can see, andyan yung IP address na nilagay natin. So validate lang natin yung preferred DNS. And then pwede tayong mag-validate pa ng isa. So valid, then next. 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 Then validate, valid, okay. Next. Next and then install. Then close. So punta na tayo ng DHCP. So expand lang natin. And then sa IPv4. Right click, new scope. Next. So gagawa na tayo ng scope for Windows 7. So lagyan na natin yung start IP address and end IP address. So first is yung 172.31. Then yung end IP address niya is up to 0.254. And then next. So sa exclusion, do not distribute the first 30 and last 30 valid IP addresses. So based yun sa requirements. So yung start IP is magiging 1 to 30. And then yung last 30 naman is 0.224 and 0.254. Add then next. And then based din sa requirements, yung IP address list expires every 8 hours. So lagyan natin 8 hours. And next. Yes, I want to configure these options now. Next. And then yung default gateway is the same as yung IP address. Then next. And then sa domain name and DNS servers, based sa requirements. So first, ping muna natin yung tupt.edu.ph. So as you can see, meron tayong nakuhang reply from the server. So sa IP address, lalagay natin base dito, add Google and OpenDNS public DNS server IP addresses. So 8.8.8 is the Google IP address, and then 8.8.4.4 add din natin, and then uh, 208.67.222.222. Yes, and then last, 208.67.220.220. Then add ulit. Yes, and then next. So next, yes, I want to activate, finish. So tapos na tayo sa Windows 7. So next naman is yung Windows XP. Saan? Add na natin Windows 7. Gamit yung 172.31 na IP block. So next is yung Windows XP, which ang gagamitin natin is yung 10.0 IP block. So right click, new scope, then the same rules. Yung address list is every 8 hours, and then do not distribute the first 30 and last 30. And then so same IP address 8.8.8. So after nun, open na natin yung Windows XP and Windows 7. So sa Windows XP, start, right click my computer, properties, computer name, then change domain. So sa domain, lalagyan natin yung required domain, which is tupt.edu.ph, and then sa computer name na rin, lalagay ko Estanes XP, and then okay. So login tayo gamit yung administrator account of Windows Server 2008. So yan, welcome to tupt.edu.ph domain. You must restart this computer. So restart na natin. So next naman is sa Windows 7. So start ulit, computer, right click, properties, then change settings, change. So sa domain, lagay ulit natin tupt.edu.ph. Then okay, login ulit gamit yung admin account. Then login muna tayo sa Windows XP. Natin yung options, then log on to tupt, and then gamitin natin yung administrator account. Okay, then so welcome to tupt.edu.ph domain na rin sa Windows 7. And then close, and then restart na natin. So tignan natin yung domain ng Windows XP. So as you can see, nakalagay na is tupt.edu.ph. Then login din tayo sa Windows 7. So, tignan natin yung domain sa computer properties. So, as you can see, tupt.edu.ph na rin yung domain niya. So, yun lang po. Thank you for watching.